Introducing our salmon meuniere. The ingredients are 4 pieces of raw salmon, 100 grams each, dash of salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons cake flour, 20 grams butter, tartar sauce to taste. Melt the butter by pressing microwave 200 watt and key in 1 minute. Sprinkle the salmon with salt and pepper. Then with flour. Cover the metal tray with aluminum foil. Coat with a small amount of oil and arrange the salmon. Pour the melted butter over the salmon. Remove the ceramic tray and insert the metal tray in the middle rack. Press oven 1 level, 230 degrees Celsius, 23 to 30 minutes. Preheat no to cook.